deep, deep concern for the civil rights of North Carolinians.
Walking the halls of the Wake County Justice Center with attorney Dawn Blagrove, 5 months after she helped convince the Democratic majority on the state Supreme Court to issue a huge decision ruling life in prison without the possibility of parole violated the state constitution if the crime was committed by a child. The justices ruled that if the offender spent more than 40 years in prison for a crime they committed as a child, there must be at least the opportunity for release.
In North Carolina, at the time we argued that case, 91% of all of the children who had been sentenced to life without parole were black. That decision, however, came with vehement opposition from the Republican minority on the court at the time.
In their dissent, Republicans on the state's high court accused the Democrats of judicial activism, making decisions based on political affiliation. Then on Election Day, Republicans flipped the balance of power. The 4-3 Democratic majority became a 5-2 Republican one.
There's a strong possibility that with this new majority, they will revisit that case as soon as they can and overturn that decision.
You're going to see reversal in criminal justice.
Former political consultant Mac McCorkle says the power shift is likely fueled by voter assumptions that Republicans will be tougher on crime. But the change on the state's high court comes amid a push for a more fair and equitable criminal justice system, more racially balanced juries, and greater police accountability. North Carolina is one of just 12 states where black people are more than 50% of the prison population, but just 21% of the state's overall population. Criminal justice reform advocates saw the state Supreme Court as a means to reverse the tide.
And it may have been the most consequential thing that happened in the 2022 midterm in North Carolina was the gaining of Republican control in the Supreme Court.
Most of the cases that come before the Supreme Court don't have a political angle.
Former state Supreme Court Justice Bob Edmonds, a lifelong Republican, sat on the court for 16 years. While he laments some of the accusatory language among justices in recent decisions, he's hopeful the high court can keep personal politics out.
None of the judges I knew in either party ever reacted in the sense of, I am a member of X party. I know X party supports this outcome, therefore I'm going to vote for this outcome. People gave it their best shot to be objective.
Richard Dietz and Trey Allen will be sworn in as North Carolina's newest Supreme Court justices at a ceremony in January.